Now what we have had is constant. They have added the types, and we also affected the assets, and that is what we have so far. Right now, what is remaining is when you get into here and you go out and you go to this one, you find that in Swiper we have not yet done. We are not done right here. So here there should be mapping. So where we map we use mapping to map the swiper. This because when you look at here, let me just come here. Let me check. You can see there is a index here, the way we have done them, but there is nothing that is coming in. So we use map to do that. So as follow. Let's do mapping here. You can do that like that, and say onboarding, and onboarding dot map. We say index. We say this is item, and we make an arrow function, and we return something. We do return